Here I will explain you the categorical frequency table. So the first column is blood group of patients. We have taken the sample of 35 patients, and some patients have A group, some have AB, some have O and B. So here we have to count how many patients have O group, how many patients have A, AB and B. So for this, first you have to go to the formula tab, and then in the function library open this more functions and then statistical. So under statistical you have to find out count if function. This is the count if function. In the range group you have to select the range till 36, and in the criteria just write down in quotation A. We have to find out first how many patients have A. So 8 patients have A. And how many patients? Again you have to go to the formula here, statistical, and then count if. In the range again you have to select this range till 36. In criteria, so second is suppose AB, in quotation you have to write down AB and OK. And then O, how many patients have O? So go to the count if again, bring your insertion point in the range, select this range, and in quotation you have to write down O, and last is B. In quotation you have to write down B and enter. So total we had 35 patients. If you want to see that whether your answer is correct or not, so you have to make a sum function. So this is the sum function, auto sum, click here and your answer is 35. So it means 8 patients have 8 A group, 8 patients have AB, 11 patients have O and 8 patients have B group. So total we have 35. So this is the categorical frequency table, and thanks for watching it.